If you want to make your first impression really attractive, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll speak about the importance of personality development and how it can help you in different sectors. Hey, I am Trina. Welcome back to my channel Trina B, and thank you so much for watching my video. I post videos related to career, personal grooming and self-growth, so make sure you subscribe my channel to get more contents. I will give you some 10 simple basic tips. If you apply those in your life, you can make your first impression really memorable. So further any delay, let's get started. Why does it call first impression is the last impression? It is because suppose if I meet any person for the first time and somehow I do not like that person, will I want to meet that person the second time? Maybe no. That is why it is called that first impression is the last impression. Number 1 is practicing good manners. You should know how to behave publicly. You are always carrying your family culture. Your behavior tells a lot about you. Your behavior tells that from where you belong. So do not disrespect your family background. These are very little things that you can do. That is, you should know how to greet people, or you should never look into another's phone screen, or if someone is correcting your mistakes, you should be very open-minded to accept that and make sure you do not make that mistake the second time. Do not always rush in your life to get promotion, to get better position, or to get a very good percentage, because these are so useless if you are not a good human being. Maybe you are hurting a lot of your co-workers or a lot of your friends by your rude behavior. So somehow if you get that position, for sometimes you may not hold that position because you do not know how to respect people. So first you need to learn how to respect people, then you will get the same respect that you want from other people. So the first thing is practicing good manners, and it comes from inside. Number 2 is showing gratitude in your life. Showing gratitude towards your life is a very essential aspect of personality grooming. Sometimes we rush in our lives so much that we forget being grateful that we already have. So be thankful what you have and give time to the people that you already have in your life. Life is not about race, it is all about maintaining your personal life and professional life. So don't make your personal life complicated to gain or to achieve something in your professional life. Balance it and make short-term goals in your life, and when you achieve that goal, celebrate it, and then you can go ahead for your next goal. That will give you more confidence. And when you will be thankful of what you have in your life, you will get more confidence and you will get a lot more satisfaction. Number 3 is having a good communication skill. Now here is a myth that we all think that if anyone has English fluency, it means he or she has good communication skill. That is not right. Having a good communication skill means that person is able to understand the opposite person what is going inside his or her mind. It may be in English, it may be in Bengali, or it may be in Hindi, or it may be in any languages. If I am speaking in front of you with zero confidence, it means I do not believe what I am saying. Will you believe on my words? No. So first I need to believe on my words, then I can make you believe on my words. And if I can make you believe on my words, if I can express my thoughts, if I can express that what I have on my mind, it means I have a good communication skill. And nowadays I don't know what is wrong with us. We misunderstand people so easily. So that is why having a good communication skill is really important. You need to have the capability to make the other people understand what is going on in your mind. Number 4 is be well dressed. No, I don't mean wearing expensive clothes. No. I mean that you need to know what you should wear. You can wear one piece, you can wear crop top, you can wear jeans, you can wear shari, you can wear salwar, you can wear anything and everything you want. But you need to have a very good clarity on your mind that what you are wearing where. You can tell that I am very open-minded, I am independent, and I am very modern girl or boy, so I can wear anything and everything I want. Yes, you can wear anything and everything you want, but ask yourself that is it really going with the vibes or not. The dress that you will wear during night out with your friends will not be the same the dress you wear at the office. You cannot always complain that they are not giving you respect. Respect is a word that you need to earn. So if you cannot respect yourself, they will not respect you. Number 5 is wearing clean shoes. So if you think that no one notices what shoes are you wearing, then you are wrong. It represents a lot of your personality. So investing some money on buying some good shoes, always worth it. Number 6 is wearing a decent fragrance. The perfume that you wear daily basis speaks a lot about you. It speaks about your choices. So do not go for too strong fragrances, choose mild one. Everybody always remember or recognize you by your smell. Be very wise whenever you are picking any perfume for you. Number 7 is set a delicate ringtone for your phone. Do not set any disco divana wala ringtone. Like, oh my god, this is so irritating. It should be very soothing. It should not catch any unnecessary attention at any crowded place. So be mindful. Number 8 is the way you control your anger at workplace. See, I know there are a person or some persons that you do not like at a workplace, but I understand there are very obvious reasons, but you need to know that how to deal with them. It is noticeable that how do you deal with your anger issues at your workplace. Number 9 is perpetuate smile on your face. It is not that hard, guys. No one wants to talk with a person who is looking lifeless. I understand you may be introvert or there are some reason that you do not want to deal with a lot of people anymore. But don't always drag your past experiences. It will make your life a lot more complicated. Just have a gentle smile on your face so that the people can approach to you. You need to know that where you need to be heard. Number 10 is having a very polite voice speech. So we misunderstand people a lot by their voice speech. If you have this issue in your life, you can relate. I will tell that you should work on it. Things can get very complicated because of your voice speech. And always maintain eye contact whenever you are speaking with someone. I will suggest you to look into their eye color. That will help you to hold the eye contact for longer period of time. So that was all 10 points that I wanted to share with you. I hope the video was helpful to you. If the video was helpful, then give a thumbs up to this video, share the video with your friends and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will come back to you with another interesting video. Till then, bye.